So I was trying to get to one of my upper campsites at the ridge, and you can see here that I completely blasted my fog light. What happened was a branch jumped out of the woods at me and jumped in front of the Jeep. It actually came across, severed the wire on this one. You can see I tucked this wire up under this little housing here just to keep it out of the way on the way home. Severed the wire on this side, shattered the housing of the fog light on the other side. Long story short, both of these are going to need to be replaced. And luckily, since this is a Jeep, everything is pretty much bolt on and plug and play, so let's go ahead and get these old ones off here. It's just one nut to take these off, so pretty simple. And as you can see, that's the little plug, and the new ones will hopefully come with a matching plug, so they'll go on nice and easy. Through the magic of editing, roughly about a week and a half past now, and my new lights have arrived. Let's go ahead and get them out of the box here. I just ordered some cheap KC highlighters. These were about 67 bucks a piece, so nothing fancy. Again, I'm not going to go sinking a bunch of money into a Jeep that's got 172,000 miles on it now, I think. But anyhow, so KC, actually those are the daylighters, I guess they call these. And here, I'll go ahead and show you. There's the model that I went ahead and bought. I'm going to go ahead and get these out of the box so you can take a look at them real quick. Again, keeping in mind that these are not high-end fog lights by any stretch of the imagination, but they're going to suit me pretty well. So, straight out of the box here, they're looking pretty good. They're very attractive lights. I like the logo there across the lens. Plug and play, so that's going to be nice. Make the installation about as simple as possible. There's the mount. I'm not real super happy with the mount. This mount's plastic. The other one was metal, but we'll see how it holds up. We'll see how tight I can get that. Make sure it holds the right level I want it to hold with that cross bolt there. But overall, it's a really good looking lights. Again, as a direct replacement type of thing. That cover there is plastic. That grill cover is plastic. But so were the ones on the original fog lights that I had. But overall, there they are, little KC daylighters. And let's go ahead and quit wasting time and go ahead and get these bad boys mounted on the Jeep. The original mounting holes were slightly too small, so I used a step bit and drilled that out to 3/8. So, little heads up there. And this is the only tool that I'll be using to install these lights. Little box end wrench, 9/16 on one end, 1/2 on the other end. Couldn't be any simpler than that. As I already mentioned, these are plug and play, so these plug right in where the old ones unplugged. Perfect tight connection there. Follow it up to where I went ahead and wire tied that up out of the way, and it's good to go. I had no problem getting that plastic mounting plate there as tight as I wanted. Feels pretty secure. I feel confident with it. Overall, for budget direct fit replacement fog lights on a really old Jeep, quite honestly, I couldn't be much happier. So that's it. Thanks for joining me on this simple little installation today. Really appreciate you stopping by. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't. You know, either way, I'd appreciate that thumbs up like, and feel free to leave a comment below. We're also on Instagram, so feel free to stop by there. Check us out, see what we're up to throughout the week. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.